Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, this is 5 up Greenline entering Rohdi railway station platform number 3 with train engine 9040. You can see the beauty of this train. This is the best and fastest train of Pakistan Railways, shining like moon. You can see the luggage porters are ready to carry the luggage of the passengers. Now economy class coach is passing, very neat and clean, full of facilities for the passengers. Now AC coaches are going to pass. This is AC standard coach attached with Greenline 5 up, and this class is also full of facilities for the passengers of this train. You can see passengers are taking rest on their berths in this coach, and after this is the luxurious class of this train, AC parlor car. Passengers are taking rest on their seats in their coaches. Thanks for watching.